This is a little preview of the car I've been working on. I'm going to be posting more videos about it on YouTube as I fix it up. This is a 96 Mercury Cougar, as you can see, XR7. It's got the V8 engine, Mustang engine. I'm just going through. This car was recently in a wreck. I'll show you the front in a minute. I'm going through. What I'm going to do is I'm sanding the paint down. I'm going to repaint it. I got some body filler on here and on the other side. These were rust spots where they put the spoiler on the car but didn't put it on right, and water and everything else got down in here, got to the bare metal, and just started rusting away. I did leave out these circles for the bolts to go back through because the spoiler is going back on once the car is finished. As you see, I've been sanding on it. This is the passenger side of the car. It's the passenger door right there. The inside of the car. It's kind of a mess, kind of threw everything in there. I got these dents I gotta take out. The guy that sold it to me said he hyperplaned into another vehicle. Which, most of y'all, if you don't know what that is, everybody knows that. But if you don't know what hyperplaning is, it's when you slide on water. He slid on water right into a parked car. So I got this car for 800 bucks. Drove it around for a good while, then I parked it. And then one day I decided to take it out, and wouldn't you know, somebody crossed over the lanes, head-on collision, hit me from the front end. Everything's still intact. Nothing was really badly damaged besides this right here, which I gotta fix, was pushed in. The bumper was destroyed, and the whole driver's side fender was smashed. He was in a large truck, I was in this little car, so took the driver door off, have to fix that too. Surprisingly, the airbags did not go off. You know, that was a plus. I did bounce my head off the steering wheel, which hurt, but the airbags would have hurt a lot more, so I prefer the steering wheel over the airbags. Pushed in. I got it pushed back out a little bit. I still need to fix it. The tip of the hood completely caved it underneath. Like this tip was right here. Completely caved underneath. I got that out. Gotta fix that the rest of the way. I got some paint chips, so figured I'll go ahead and repaint it. And I'm not doing it factory color. I'll show you in a minute what color I'm doing. The factory color on this is black. I decided to change it up a little bit. Take a walk out here to the other side. Don't mind the mess. This is a messy room. But this is the spoiler. It was black. It's been painted already. So, it's a nice blue. I like it. So I decided to paint it like this. Over here is the front bumper that was on it. Show you guys what happened here. It's been sitting out here for a while, so it's kind of, I don't know, it's cold, so it's hard. That whole side right there, split right down the middle where he hit me. So, like I said, just a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be doing. This all, surprisingly, none of this stuff is badly damaged. Besides the corner of the hood, the fender, the bumper, that, and then the door. It got dinged up, but nothing you can't fix. There it says passenger door, side of the car. I would show you guys the fenders, but they've already been taken away, scrapped them a while back. Didn't think I was really gonna fix this car up. I was originally planning on just scrapping the thing, but decided to keep it. Here's the blue. This is not really the best view. You can't really see much of it, but that's the color. Really beautiful color. Mixed it myself. Got the sander up there. Need to sand the hood down. The roof down. Got all this sanded already. Waiting on this to dry so I can sand this down. Show y'all what I'm working with. Evercoat lightweight filler. I got the hardener. So this is pretty much, you know, I guess what you see is what you get basically with this car. But it'll look better once it's done and all put back together.